Right, question number 66. Amit bought different number of books like 18, 23, 27, 31, 35, 39 and 44 in different months. He bought books in different months. Those are February, April, May, June, July, August and October. So total how many months are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 months, and in terms of books also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 different numbers and 7 months as well. Thus in each month he bought only one of the given number of books. So we have numbers at the same time months. We have only 2 parameters. When months are involved, usually we start our solution with those months, and we need to write them in calendar order, that is February. After February we have April, next May, after May June, next July, August and October. These are the given 7 months in the order. In these 7 months we need to arrange 7 different books. Then the first condition, that is Amit bought prime numbered books in the month of April. In April we need to get prime number. In available numbers, 18 is not a prime number, 23 is a prime number, 27 is not a prime number, 31 is a prime number, 35, 39, 44 are not prime numbers. As we have 2 numbers, prime numbers, means we have 2 possibilities. 23 or 31 must be in the month of April. In one possibility we need to take 23 in April, and in another possibility another prime number 31, so 31 in April. But in April only prime number, in available numbers we have only 2 prime numbers, so we have 2 possibilities. Clear? Right, the next one, number of books bought in July is 4 more than number of books bought in April. Comparatively April, 4 books more in July. Here we have 23, 4 more than 23. 23 plus 4, 27 must be in July. Whether it is possible or not possible, that is, if 27 is one of the given numbers, it will be valid possibility. If 27 is not available among given numbers, then possibility will be eliminated. Right, so here we have 31, but in the month of July 4 more than April. 31 plus 4, 35. Again 35 is available here. So both are in existence. The next one, the difference between number of books bought in July and February is 9. July and February is 9. Here we have 27. Difference between July and February should be 9. 27 plus or minus 9 is required clearly. 27 plus 9 is how much? 27 plus 9 is 36 available? No. Then 27 minus 9 is required. 27 minus 9, 18. Yes, we have number 18 as available number. Similarly, on the left side possibility, July we have 35, but difference between July and February is 9. That is 35 plus 9 is required. 35 plus 9, 44 is there. But 35, if I make minus 9, 35 minus 9 is 26. But number of books 26 is not available here. Okay. Right. The next condition here. Number of books bought in February are more than number of books bought in July. February is more than July. Look at left side possibility. Yes, February we have 44, that is more than 35. But if you look at right side possibility, in February we have 18, July we have 17. Is 18 more than 27? It is 27. Is 18 more than 27? No, 18 is not more than 27. So this possibility is eliminated. And the next condition here, even number of books were bought in August. In August we need to have even number of books. Among given numbers we have only two even numbers, 18 and 44. But in August we need to get even number. Between these two already 44 is completed. Then remaining even number is 18. So in the month of August we need to make 18. The next condition here, number of books bought in June is 21 more. June is 21 more than number of books bought in August. In August we have 18. 21 more than 18. That means 18 plus 21. 39 must be allotted for June. 39. And the next one, number of books bought in May is more. Number of books bought in May is more than number of books bought in October. If you observe the months, here we have only 2 more months to fix numbers. That means there will be only 2 remaining numbers among the given numbers. 18 is already completed here. Next 23 is not at all completed. 27 is not completed yet. Remaining 31, 35, 39, 44 are completed. 23, 27. In May he bought more books. Between these two, 27 is more than that of 23. Which means for May we need to allot 27. October 23. That's it. Next, question number 71. The positions of how many alphabets will remain same if each of the alphabets in the word casting, there is a word casting, each of the alphabet in the word casting are arranged in alphabetical order from right to left. It is not from left to right. From right to left we need to write the letters into alphabetical order. Alphabetical order nothing but from A to Z order, from least letter to highest letter. What is the least letter among the given letters? A. From A we need to write into alphabetical order, but from right to left it is needed. So first we need to write A here, then after C, next G, next I, next N, next S, T. Now we need to check out the alphabets that are remain same. Here we have C, T, both are not same. A, S not same, S, N not same, T, I not same, I, G, N, C, G, A not same. So none of the alphabets are getting remain same. That is option 2. But we need to careful that it is given as from right to left, not left to right. Next, 72. What will come in place of question mark in the following series? Question mark is this one. In the following series based on the English alphabetical order and numbers. English alphabetical order and numbers. First let us look at numbers here. 2 becomes 4. Next 4 becomes 8. 8 becomes 16. That means 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Thereafter 16 into 2, 32. Then number should be 32. So 32 nothing but maybe first option, third option, fourth option. So these many options are there. Now here we have G, K and L as the letters. If I can find out starting letter, then answer will be completed, right? So starting letter here we have C. and then E. C, E nothing but here we have D as the gap and then E. After E they gave you G. To get G, after E we need to leave F and then G. After G here we have I, G, H gap and then I. After I we need to leave J, then starting letter must be K. Starting letter must be K and the number should be 32. We have only third option. Next, 73. 4 of the following 5 are alike. 4 are alike out of 5. So out of 5 options, 4 options are alike. 4 options are same in a certain way based on English alphabetical series, based on A, B, C, D up to Z alphabetical order series. 4 options are same, one is different and thus form a group which is the one that does not belong to the group. That means odd one out is required. Here we have M after N and then O. M, N, O is the order. Next J, K and L. It looks first option, second options are similar. Next P, Q and then R, S, T and then we have U, A, B, but here we need to get C rather than they gave you D, so odd one out is fifth option. Next 74. So here we have a question based on input and output, right? So if you look at the last step for understanding data quickly, that is step number 5, look at the words here. We have only one number, that is 14 in the input. After 14 in the remaining words, starting letter here we have R, next L, J, C. R, L, J, C nothing but descending order of alphabets here, or from C ascending order of alphabet letters. So if you follow starting letter of the answer, you may get the proper logic here, right? In input here we have rows, cute, 14, line, joke. But from input to step number 1, right hand there is no change. On right hand there is no change. Here we have joke and it is also J, joke. Next, but in step number 1, here we have rows, but before 2 rows we have cute, that is C. Other than C, rows, next 14, L, J remains same. From input to step number 1, the position of only C is changing. Just look at only starting letters of each and every word, C. So C nothing but, try to understand, here we have R, then after C, then after L and then J. They have changed C. C means among the given 4 letters, C is the least letter here. Yes or no? Yes. So from input to step number 1, the position of least letter is changing and remaining are as it is, rows 14, L, J. Now after C among these letters, what is the next least letter? Next least letter J. So it means from step number 1 to step number 2, next least letter J's position has to be changed. J here from step number 1 to step number 2, J is changing to the leftward. Other than J, R, 14, L remain same. But you need to understand that in step number 2, J is changing to the left of C. Next, step number 2 to 3, as of now C, J are the elements that are changing from 1 to. Next, after J, what is the next least letter? L. So now the turn is towards L. The position of L has to be changed. Yes, L is changing to here. Other than L, J, C, R, 14 remain same. After L, the only remaining letter is R. The position of R has to be changed. R is changing to the first place, then L, J, C. Next, after that, the remaining number 14 is changing to the left hand. Now, from input to step number 1 again, least letter is changing to the left hand. Step number 1 to 2, after C, as the next least letter is J, step number 1 to 2, J is changing to the left hand again, and the remaining elements are on right side in the same order. So అబోవ్ స్టెప్ నుంచి బిలో స్టెప్కి ఏదైతే ఎలిమెంట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుందో క్లియర్లీ అది లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్లోకి చేంజ్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది. అండ్ అన్ని వర్డ్స్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ నంబర్ ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ టు ది లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్. నౌ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ అన్ ఇన్పుట్ and followed by questions. We can answer it directly. That is, here we have input, that input is given in terms of m, next d, k, 92 and then starting letter f. As for the data input to step number 1, we need to change the least letter. Among letters, what is the least letter? D. The position of d has to be changed. Other than d, remaining elements must be in the same order. Those are m, k, 92 and then f. Step number 1 to step number 2, after d, among these letters, what is the next least letter? F. We need to change f, but ఆ f అనేది d కి రైట్ సైడ్లో చేంజ్ చేయాలా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో చేంజ్ చేయాలా? We need to change it on left side and then remaining will be in the same order, m, k, 92. Next, step number 3, here we have d, f. After f, what is the next least letter? K. We need to get k on left hand again. Other than k, remaining m and 92 will be at same places in the same order. Next, step number 4, as of now here step number 1 d, step number 2 f, step number 3 k. After k, next least letter or remaining letter, that is m. Other than m, 92 remains same. Is this the last step for the input here? No. As for the data, whatever the remaining number is there, we should change to the left hand here. So that means I need to write step number 5. So now I need to come to 92, that should come to left hand. Other than 92, m, k, f and d. Now this is the last step, which is output. Now based on output, we can answer the questions directly. That is 74. How many elements are there to the left of d in step 2 of the given input? In step 2 we need to answer this question. In step 2, left of d, how many elements are there? 1, that is option 2. Next, 75. In step number 4 of the given input, which element appear exactly between k and 92? In step number 4, between k and 92, exactly only f and d are there. F and d nothing but option number 3, both f and d. Next, 76. In step 2, k is related to f. K is related to f. In step 2 or step 1? It is step 1. In step 1, k is related to f. K is related to f. To f. Next, similarly, 92 is related to k in step 5. In step 5, 92 is related to k. To k, 92 is second left. Then to which of the following f is related to the following same pattern in step 3? Step 3. To which of the following f is related to? F is related to m, that is option number 1. Next, 77. In which of the following steps is 92 found to the immediate right of m? Immediate right of m, we need to get 92 in one of the given steps. Look at step number 1. In step number 1, immediate right of m, do we have 92? No. In step number 2, immediate right of m, do we have 92? No. In step number 3, immediate right of m, do we have 92? Yes. So in step number 3, 92 is an immediate right of m, that is option number 5. After that, immediate right of m, 92 is not there in the remaining options, only step 3. Next, 78. This is some other one. 8 boxes are stacked one above the other. We have box related question. More than 4 boxes are kept above x. We need to take above x. For example, here it is x. Above x, first let us take 4 boxes. Above x, 1, 2, 3, 4. But they did not give you that 4 boxes are above to x. They gave you more than 4 boxes. More than 4 boxes. To make 4 into more than 4, I need to take at least one extra box in addition to 4. 4 కి ఇంకొక బాక్స్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక ఎక్స్ట్రా బాక్స్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే వీ హ్యావ్ 5 boxes so far which is more than 4. So as of now we have taken 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have taken 6 places, but in our question we have 8 boxes. We need to take 2 more boxes. We need to take 2 more boxes. Those 2 more boxes will be maybe like this, or 2 boxes may be in this order, or one is at top, other one is at bottom. Then go for the next condition, that is j is kept immediately below x. Immediately below x, we need to place j. When I have take z, when I have taken z as immediately below to x, we have taken 7th place. Z as immediately below to x, we have taken 7th place. But we need to take only one more place. That may be at top or bottom. Whenever it is needed, then we'll take possibilities if required. Only 3 boxes are kept between z and y. 3 between z and y. Shall I take y as below to z here? No. Why? Number of boxes are limited to only 8 because of that reason. Then y should be above to z. 3 boxes between z and y. 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes between z and y, hence it is the place of y. The next one, more than 3 boxes are kept between y and v. More than 3 boxes are kept between y and v. Between nothing but v may be above to y or below to y. Let us verify whether it is possible or not possible to place y as above to y. If I try to place y as above, v as above to y, more than 3 boxes between y and v. 1, 2, 3, and it is only the 8th box, but we need to take more than 3 boxes, which is not possible. Hence v cannot be above to y. So we should be below to y, that is 1, 2, 3. But they gave you that more than 3 boxes between y and v. I'll take one more box, so that 4 boxes, then it is v. When I have taken v here, this is only the 8th box. v ki y ki మధ్యలో ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయండి? 4, which is more than 3. Right. The next condition here, only 2 boxes are kept between v and t. v is here, only 2 boxes between v and t, so it is the place of t. The next one, u is kept at one of the positions above w. Wherever w is there, above w, one of the positions above w, u is required. But nothing but starting letter u, u is below to s, u is below to s. u is above to w, below to s. So look at the arrangement here. We have only 1, 2, 3 places left over, and we have only 3 letters usw. As the order is confirmed for usw, s, u and w. This is the final arrangement. Next, 83. Five people are sitting around a circular table facing the center. We have 5 members, they are facing center with equal distance between each other. So for example, here we have a circle, but in this circle we need to take only 5 persons because we need to arrange only 5 members, and it is clear that they are facing center. Next, P is an immediate neighbor of S. P is an immediate neighbor of S. So if I take S here, P is an immediate neighbor of S, we have two possibilities. Let us hold the possibilities. P is an immediate neighbor of S, interchange may be there. The next one, only two people sit between S and T. Only two people between S and T. Wherever S is there, two people between S and T, interchange may be there. The next condition, R sits immediate left of Q. R sits immediate left of Q. How many places are there? 5 places. 5 places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 places. And R sits immediate left of Q. That means R and Q will be the neighbors. R and Q will be the neighbors. Then these are only the places for R and Q. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఆర్ ఇఫ్ నాట్ ఐ కెన్ టేక్ ద అదర్ పాసిబిలిటీస్. ఇఫ్ ఎస్ ఈస్ హియర్, 2 between S and T, that is 1, 2, maybe T is here. Or in another possibility, wherever S is there, in this direction 2 members between S and T. In another possibility, that is 1, 2, it is the place for T. 2 between S and T. Earlier condition was clearly R sits immediate left of Q. Immediate left of Q, nothing but both R and Q must be at immediate places, neighbors. And R sits immediate left of Q. In the first possibility, we have only 3 places and R and Q at immediate places. That means these two are the required places. And R sits immediate left of Q. If Q is here, immediate left of Q will be by R. R sits immediate left of Q. If Q is here, immediate left of Q is by R. And the remaining letter S and P are the neighbors, then it is the place of P. So that S and P are the neighbors. If it is S, that is S and P are neighbors. Then the given question, what is the position of Q? They are asking about position of Q with respect to T. First tell me, are you able to eliminate one of these two possibilities? Is it possible? No. Then what is the position of Q? They are asking about position of Q with respect to T. With respect to T, in first possibility, that is immediate left. With respect to T, in second possibility, that is second right. Second right with respect to T. It may be second to the right or immediate left. So we cannot determine the possible answer as exact answer. So first option. Next. Question number 84. Direct coding, that is what is the code for fall in the given code language? Fall is available in first statement. It is fall is available in first sentence. It is not there in second sentence. It is available in third sentence. It is also there in fourth sentence. As the word fall presented in 1, 3, 4, on right side we need to identify the element which is presented in first, third and fourth statement. So if I look at TS, TS is not there in the third statement. Next, if we look at HE, HE is not there in third statement again. Next we have FR, but FR is not there in the third statement again, hence it is eliminated. Then the remaining only DB, that is second option. Fall is coded as DB. Next, 85. Which of the following may represent the code for during training in the given code language? We need to code both during training. So look at the word during. During is available in first statement. It is not there in the second statement. It is not there in third statement, but it is available in fourth statement. As the word during is available in fourth statement also, then we need to combine 1 and 4 and try to observe the common element, right? So TSC is not common as TSC is not presented here. Next HE is presented here. Next FR is available here and FR is available in this statement, but it is also there in second statement, but the word during is not there in second statement, so FR is invalid. DB is already coded for fall, eliminated. Hence what is the possible answer here? HE. So during must be coded as HE. HE is there in second option, third option. Next we need to code the element training. Training is not there in the any one of the given statements. Yes, training is not available in the given statement. What does it mean? Decoding కూడా డేటాలో లేకుండా ఉండాలి. If I look at first option, here we have second option and TS, but TS is already available in the data, but training is not available in the data, hence second option is eliminated, so third option. Next, in the given code language, what does the code GC stands for? GC is not there in first statement, but it is available in second statement. It is not there in the third statement. It is not available in fourth statement. Yes, GC is presented in only second statement, then there must be only one word in second statement. Big drops of rain. So try to observe the question. We have GC and the possible answer will be among the given words big drops of rain. Big drops of rain. Maybe first option, but second option temperature is not there in the second statement. Significant is not there in the given data. Big drops maybe, and then rain, but they gave you fall, but the word fall is not there in the second statement. It is eliminated. So answer will be between either first option or fourth option. First option or fourth option, right? So what is the fourth option? Big or drops. Big or drops. So here we have big as the word, next drops as the word. డ్రాప్స్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో ఉందా? ఇక రిమైనింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్లో ఉందా? లేదు. ఎట్ ది సేమ్ టైం జీసీ అనేది ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో ఉంది. బిగ్ డ్రాప్స్ అనేవి కూడా ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఐదర్ బిగ్ ఆర్ డ్రాప్స్, ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ 4. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ డస్ FRAX స్టాండ్స్? FRAX is required. So FR is presented in first, second, fourth statement. We need to find out the common word between 1, 2 and 4. So here we have rain, and rain is presented in second statement. Rain is also presented in third statement. So FR will be coded as rain directly because fall is not presented in the remaining statement. Next, during is not presented. Next, monsoon is not presented. So kabatti rain anedi definitely FR ga code avali. Rain anedi FR avali. Next, then after AX is to be coded. AX is not there in the first statement. It is not there in the second statement. It is available in third statement. It is not there in the fourth statement. AX is available in only third statement. On left hand side, we need to observe the word in only third statement. What is that here? Temperature is already there in fourth statement. Next, fall is there in fourth statement. Off is available in second statement. Significant is the only word which is presented in third statement. Hence, answer will be rain, significant, that is option number 1. Next, 88. What is the code for off monsoon in the given code language? Off monsoon is required. Look at the word off. Off is presented in second statement, third statement, but it is not there in fourth statement. Now let us try to observe the common term between second and third. That is, FR is not common, UZ is common, next QL is not common, GC is not common here. Hence, off is coded as UZ. Answer will be in between 4 and 5. Next, we need to decode monsoon. In fifth option we have DB, but DB is already allotted for fall. Hence, again DB అనేది మనకు మాన్సూన్కి రాదు. ఫిఫ్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్, ఓన్లీ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ 89. How many such pairs of digits are there in the number, each of which has as many digits between them in the number, both forward and backward direction, as they have between them in arithmetic numerals. Arithmetic numerals nothing but ascending order itself, 1 2 3 like this. So here we have 3 1 5 2 8 4 and then 6. Same type of question we answer with respect to letters, alphabets, that is in words, but here we have a number, not a problem. So here we have 3, then after 4 unda, next 5 unda, yes, so which means 3 and 5 are the first pair, 3 4 5, 6 is not there, 7 8. Next we need to stop at 8 because 9 is not presented here. Next 1 2 is not there, 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6 is getting matched, so 1 and 6 are second pair so far. Next 5 6 7 8 2 3 4, 2 and 4 are third pair. As of now the answer may be fourth option or fifth option, 3 are more than 3, right? 2 3 4. Next 8 9 no use, 4 5 no. So in forward direction we have 3 pairs, we need to count in backward direction as well. 6 7 is not getting matched, but we have 8, 6 and 8 are the next pair, 6 and 8 nothing but fourth pair which is more than 3, hence option number 4. Next, blood relations. J is father of E. J is father of E. J is father of E. E is the only sibling of D. E is the only sibling of D, which means J has only 2 children. They are E and D. Next, D is the only daughter of G. Yes, D is the only daughter of G. Already D is the daughter of J, but now they gave you that D is the only daughter of G. That means J and G are married to each other. J male, so G is a female, and it is clear that D is the only daughter. When D is the only daughter, E cannot be daughter of G. That means E will be male member, that is son of G. Next, H is married to E. H is married to E. Already E is a male member, then H will be female. How is E related to G? How is E related to G? G is son, option 4. Next 91. How is H related to J? To J. J's son is E. Son's wife H. Son's wife is called as a daughter-in-law, first option. Next, if it is possible to make only one meaningful English word with the second, what is second letter here? C. Second after fifth, fifth nothing but I. Next seventh, seventh is E, and then eighth is D. Using each letter only once when counted from left to right, which of the following will be third letter of the word so formed from the left? If no such word, X. If you don't have any word using 4 letters, then X is your answer. If there is more than one such word, then Z is your answer. Now we need to form meaningful English words using CIED. DICE. Dice. Next. CIDE. Is it a valid word? What does it mean? Is it a valid word? What does it mean? Killing. Yes. So how many words now? More than one. So that Z is our answer. Fourth option. Next, Silox. In Silox, clearly they are asking for logically follows. All arts are photos. All arts are photos. Next, only a few photos are images. From this entire part of photos, we need to take only few part of photos, and that should be images. That means only some part of photo should be images. That means all photos cannot be images in possible diagram. All photos cannot be images in possible diagram. Next one, only a few images are pics. It is photo. Only a few images are pics. There should be only some common part between image and pic. That means you cannot make all images inside of pics. That means you can't make all images inside of pics in possible Venn diagram. Then conclusion 1, no photo is a pic. No photo is a pic. Of course, right now it is no photo is pic, but in possible Venn diagram, there may be some common part between photo and pic. When some common part is possible, then no conclusion will be wrong. Next, at least, forget about at least, some arts are images, but there is no intersection part between art and image. It is wrong. Both are wrong. Next, only a few doors are curtains. There should be only some common part between door and curtain, which means all doors cannot be curtains in possible diagram. It is clear that only some part of doors should be curtains. Means all doors cannot be curtains. Next, no curtain is ring. There should not be any intersection part between curtain and ring. Next, only a few rings are windows. There must be only some common part between R and W, which means all rings cannot be windows in possible diagram. Then conclusion 1, all windows can never be curtains. They are asking for all windows cannot be curtains. Can never, never, cannot, both are one and the same. What is the conclusion meaning? It is clear that all windows can never become curtains. All windows ni curtains lopala pettalemu antunnadu. We'll try to make whether it is possible or not possible to make all windows inside of curtain. If I want to make all windows inside of curtain, there should be some common part between curtain and ring. But as per the statement, no curtain is ring is given. When it is no curtain is ring, mar curtain ni ring to connect cheyagalama? Is it possible? Never possible. That is what in conclusion also they are talking about never, hence it is true. The next one, all rings can never be doors. All rings can never be doors. Anni rings ఎప్పటికీ doors అవ్వవు అంటున్నాడు. If I try to make all rings inside of door, simply just cut a door here and then you can make all rings inside of door. It is possible to make all rings inside of door, but they told you that it is never possible, hence conclusion will be wrong. Next, 95. All cars are bikes, all cars must be inside of bike. No bike is an auto, no bike is an auto. Only a few autos are race. There must be only some common part between auto and race. That means all autos cannot be race. Then no car is an auto. No car is an auto. ఆటో అనేది బీతో టచ్ అవ్వకూడదు కదా. ఆటో అనేది బీతో టచ్ అవ్వకూడదు అంటే బి ఇన్సైడ్లో ఉన్న సితో కూడా టచ్ అవ్వదు, హెన్స్ కంక్లూజన్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఆల్ బైక్స్ కెన్ నెవర్ బీ ఆర్స్. నెవర్ విచ్ మీన్స్ అన్ని బైక్స్ ఎప్పటికీ ఆర్స్ అవ్వవు అంటున్నారు, నెవర్. బట్ ఇన్ contradiction to that, we'll try to make all bikes inside of rings. It is clear that you cannot make all A's inside of R, but we need to make all bikes inside of R. Comfortably you can make all bikes inside of R. Making all bikes inside of R is possible, but they told you that never possible, hence conclusion will be wrong. 96. No toy is teddy bear. No toy is teddy bear. Next, all teddy bears are lions. Only a few lions are forest. There must be only some common part between lion and forest. That means all lion cannot be forest in possible diagram. Then conclusion 1, all toys can never be forest. According to the conclusion meaning, all toys అనేవి ఎప్పటికీ ఫారెస్ట్ అవ్వవు అంటున్నారు. బట్ వీ నో దట్ యూ కెనాట్ కనెక్ట్ టెడ్డీ బేర్ అండ్ టీ, బట్ యూ కెన్ మేక్ ఆల్ టాయ్స్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్. డయాగ్రమ్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్, but they told you that never possible. That means conclusion wrong. The next one, some lines are definitely not toys. We don't have to consider the word definitely. Some lines are not toys. When some not conclusion is given, we'll try to make all lines are toys. All lines are toys. If you want to make all lines inside of toys, obviously all teddy bear will become inside of toy. But can you connect a toy and a teddy bear? As per the statement, no. When diagram is not possible, some not conclusion will be right. Next, all aeroplanes are trains. All aeroplanes are trains. No train is rocket. All rockets are buses. All rockets are buses. All buses can never be trains. We can answer this type of can never be conclusion in two ways. One way is checking of meaning, other way is treating it as some not conclusion. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం ఇక్కడ ఆల్ బీస్ కెన్ నెవర్ బి టీస్, టీస్ అవ్వు అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి అవుతాయేమో చెక్ చేసాం. Or else simply all buses can never be trains, nothing but you can treat it as some buses are not trains. Again same process, we'll try to make all buses inside of trains. Can you make all buses inside of train? All buses inside of train. If you want to make all buses inside of train, train should get intersection part with R, but it is clear that no T is R. Then making common part between R and T not possible. Not possible means some not right. Conclusion right. The next one, no aeroplane is a rocket. Yes, no nothing but line is required. A is inside of line, R is inside of line, hence it will be true. Next, 98. Directions. Aditya starts walking from point E towards south. Here we have point E. Example, from E he started walking towards south. As he has started walking from E, then E will be the starting point of Aditya. Yeah, Aditya starts walking from E towards south. Yes, it is south direction. He walks for a distance of 6 meters. Assuming it as 6 meters, he walks for a distance of 6 meters to reach F. And turns left. That means after reaching F, he turns to left. As we know that when the person is traveling towards south, left nothing but this is only left. Turns left, he walks for 12 meters. Left, he walks for 12 meters to reach point G. Assuming it as 12 meters to reach point G. Next, again turns left. When the person is traveling in this direction, left nothing but this is only left. Again turns left. From point G, he walks for a distance of 9 meters. Left 9 meters. It was 6 meters, but to convert 6 into 9, up to here 6 meters, but we need 9 meters. That means extra 3 meters is required. 9 meters and reaches H. From H he turns left. This is only left. He turns left, walks for 6 meters and stops at J. Left, we need to have 6 meters. It was 12 meters, but we need to have only 6. That is half of 12. 6 is required. So somewhere we need to stop here. 6 meters and it is J. Then if point W is 9 meters south of J, 9 meters south of J, it is J. South of J is this one, but we need 9 meters south. Yes, distance between H and G, 6 plus 3, 9. Same distance is given to us. That means we will meet exactly this point and stops here. And it is W. Then which of the given points lie in straight line? Obviously FWG lie on straight line. Option number 2. In which direction is J? They are asking about direction of J. J with respect to G. It is G. North, west, in between we need a line, that is northwest. Option 5. Next, last question. Point M is to the north of F. M is north of F. It is F. North of F nothing but entirely this is called as north of F, such that M, J, H form a straight line, horizontal straight line. Already it is JH straight line, but that JH straight line should become MJH horizontal straight line. That means whatever vertical line, horizontal line meeting point is there, exactly at that meeting point, north of F, next west of J will be the point M. Then what is the distance between E and M? We need to get this distance. It is exactly 3. Same distance 3. That is option number 4. That's it. Thank you.